Welcome to the EECS minor project example. I'll be using Tinkerforge and Matlab for my version. You're expected to use Arduino and Matlab for yours. For the first learning outcome, we have an algorithm that uses time to go through different stages of the program, and then if there's a request manually using a button to water the plant, it will. Otherwise, we're looking at the soil moisture to turn on the water pump. For the second learning outcome, we're using procedural programming constructs like loops and conditional statements. We're using a loop that's based on time, and we're using conditional statements based on a state of a button or the state of the soil moisture sensor to turn on a pump. For the third learning outcome, we're using a Matlab file, and we're using a function. That function has input parameters as well as returns to values in order to initiate a graph. For the fourth learning outcome, we have a state machine. That state machine uses both time, the state of a button, and the state of the soil moisture to determine when and how much water to apply to the plant. After a certain period of time, it will time out and exit the program. We also have a function that will convert the soil moisture values from the soil moisture sensor between a value of 0 for dry and 2048 for wet to a value of 1 for dry to a value of 0 for wet.